Good afternoon to all, and I hope that all of you have sit with your laptop or desktop, or at least those who don't have any laptop or desktop, kindly sit with your copy and pen, because whatever we are going to discuss, whatever we are going to talk, you people need to do either on your laptop and desktop and to show me. And those who have not the facility of laptop or desktop, so you will write to need the code and the logic in your copy, and then you need to show me the whatever you have done. Okay. So those who have the software of Python or the Python programming software like Ideally, Spider, whatever the software you are using, okay, do open that and just see. Open that and just see. Then our problem, past problem that we will going to discuss, we will have a talk on that. Okay. Okay. So good afternoon to all of you again. And today we will start from a basic program, a basic logical program that we are going to do in the Python software, in using some Python software. So the problem which we are going to do was known to all of you because you have done the program in C, in Java. So my first question or my first problem statement for today's class, that is the write a program or write a Python programming program, write a Python program to check whether a number is positive or negative or zero. So my first problem today's class, that write a Python program to check if a number is positive, negative or zero. Python program to check if a number is positive, negative or zero. So all of you are clear with the problem. So simple problem statement is given. Write a Python program to check whether the number is positive, number is negative, or the number is zero. So what to do right now, that you people need to write the code and the logic by your own. You people need to write the code and the logic by your own, and I am going to check that logic of the program. And those who have the software, kindly write the program in the Python software and show me your result and show me your output. But before proceeding the things, that let's discuss that what is the basic logic. Just I am going to give you a hint that what is the basic logic. The basic logic for that, the problem statement is asking that write a Python program for to check whether the number is positive, the number is negative, or the number is zero. So what to do? Just we need to take a variable. We need to take a variable and the input from the user. We need to take a variable and the input from the user, where the value that the user will input, we need to check that the logic, the value is a positive or a negative or a zero. So there are three conditions. If the number is positive, then it will display as it is positive. If the number is negative, then it will display as it is negative. And if the number is zero, then it will display as the number is zero. So what will be the logic? How to find that it is positive, it is negative, and it is zero? So we know there are three conditions. First one, if number, the variable or whatever the value the user will input, if it is greater than zero, then it will be a positive number. If it is less than zero, then it will be a negative number. And if it is equals to zero, then it will be displaying as zero. So a simple basic logical problem, and you people have done it already in your C program, Java programming also. So now do it in your Python programming. So I want you people to go and write the logic, write the code of the program, and show me the output. So first, let me do one thing. Kindly raise your hand, those who have the laptops and desktop with the Python programming software. With the Python programming software. So those who have the thing of Python programming software with your laptop and desktop, kindly raise your hands in the chat box. Quickly do that. I have seen only one hand. So those who have the thing, kindly raise your hand in the chat box. 4 people have raised your hand. Okay. 5. 5. 6. Fine. So Rupam, Manisha, Rahul and Shubham Kumar Sharma, you people don't have laptop or desktop with the facility of Python programming, or you people don't have the laptop and desktop?
I don't have laptop, sir.
Sorry, Rahul, I didn't get you.
I have no laptop or system, sir.
Okay, fine. So do situate a copy. And what about okay,
Okay.
Rupam and Shubham? Rupam and Shubham, do you have laptop and desktop?
I have also not, sir.
Okay, fine, no issue. Do see to the copy. And Shubham? Shubham, your audio is not coming. Do you have laptop or desktop? If it is not, write in the chat box that no, I don't have any desktop or laptop. Or if it is yes, just write yes. Python is not installed, but yes, so you do have a laptop or desktop. Okay, Shubham, fine. So what Shubham will do, Shubham, open a notepad in your laptop and desktop, whatever you are using. Okay, you open a notepad and write the program code. Write the program code on the notepad. Write the program code on the notepad. I am going to check that. And for the case of Rupam and Rahul, write the code in your copy. Write the code in your copy, and I am going to check that code what you have written in the copy. Fine. And rest of all, those who have the software installed in your laptop and desktop, quickly run the code. Go open the software, run the Python programming code for this particular problem, and then I am going to check the output for each of you. Okay. So I will give you a 15-minute window time. So that will be enough. So I will check. Okay, from Shika, it was already done. So you people can put down your hands right now. So please raise down your hand. Okay, don't from the chat box right now. And those who have only done the thing, they will raise the hand for now. Who have done the thing, they can raise the hand. Rest of all, please put down your hand. After your work is done, they can raise your hand. After your work is done, they can raise your hand. Then I am going to check. So I will give 10 minutes window for all of you, and then I am going to check one by one. Okay, so 10-minute time for you people to do this particular problem. It is a very basic, easy problem, so I think it will not take much time. Okay, fine. So 10-minute window. Okay, so those who have done, raise your hand. I have seen already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people have raised your hand already. So kindly raise your hand whenever you have done it. Okay, Rupam have done it. Okay, fine. So I will check. Okay, so first of all, I am going to check the thing from the Rupam, as he don't have any laptop and PC. Vishesh Kumar 60. Who is this particular person? First, rename your name with the proper student name. What is your student name? Kindly rename with it. Okay. Otherwise, I am going to remove you from the class. Fine. So, Rupam, can you show me what you have written? Can show me the code?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
Sir, screen share.
शेयर अच्छा तुम लोग को शेयर स्क्रीन का ऑप्शन नहीं है क्या शायद एक मिनट देखता हूँ यस नाउ यू कैन डू इट रूपम अभी हो रहा है क्या
Yes, sir.
तो दिखाओ तुमने क्या कोड लिखा है ओके ओके तो आपने तुमने वेरिएबल वहाँ पे तो नाम इक्वल टू फ्लोट इनपुट ओके ओके फाइन ओके ठीक है रूपम तुम अपना शेयर स्क्रीन ऑफ कर दो
Okay, sir.
okay now I am going to check the codes of one by one first of all starting with Suchitra Suchitra just show me your code and output Suchitra are you there okay fine
Is it visible?
yes it is visible Suchitra.
Hello.
yes it is yes Suchitra it is visible
Okay, sir.
okay so this is the simple code okay fine
When I take positive number, it will show
so you
positive
just
number.
share the output screen the console is not visible share that output console
एक second, yes, sir. I have to share whole screen. एक second.
yes it is visible
Hello.
the code is visible to me
Okay. Now, output screen is visible.
not yet now
Output.
yes it is visible now you can go on
It's visible, right?
yes it is visible
Hello.
yes Suchita it is visible
Now,
okay
okay. When I take a positive number, then it will give me a positive number. And when I take negative number, like -1, then it will show the negative value. with statement
Okay.
and now 0, then it will show 0.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. No issue. Okay. You can stop your screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am going for Shikha Kumari. Shikha, now turn your share your screen and show me the result of your code and output.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The code is visible. You can run the code again. Okay. Enter the number. Any number. Okay. Okay. Run the code with 0. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. You can stop your screen. Okay. Now I am going for Pallavi. Pallavi, show the output and the code. Okay. That is visible. Okay, fine. Just run the console. Okay. Okay, fine. Just run the code with 0. Okay. Okay. Run the code with some negative value. Okay, fine. Okay, you can stop your share screen. Okay, now Dolly. Any negative value you enter. Oh, fine. You can stop your share screen. Okay, so Suchitra, Shikha, Pallavi, Dolly, and Rupam have shown me their code. So what about Manisha, Rahul, Golden, and Afrin? What about you, Phil?
अच्छा शो करना है
हाँ, तुमने कोड लिखा है तो उसका कोड एंड आउटपुट मुझे शो करो.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Show the output screen. Run the module.
कौन सा नंबर देखना है सर?
Okay, okay. To say.
Costume number.
Run with a negative value, a 0, and a positive value.
Yeah. 0, right? Done, sir. So there.
Second, कुछ वैल्यू डालो अभी.
तो 0 डाल लिया, माइनस डाल लिया, और क्या डालूं? पॉजिटिव भी हो गया.
ओके, थोड़ा डिले है शायद तुम्हारे वहां से. ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है. तो ओके, कोड मैंने कोड देख लिया है. ओके, यू कैन स्टॉप योर शेयर स्क्रीन.
unable to see my screen. Hello.
आफरीन, you can stop your share screen.
Hello.
दिख रहा है आफरीन? हो गया, तुम अपना शेयर स्क्रीन स्टॉप कर दो.
Oh, okay, sir. I did that.
Okay, fine. So I have seen the thing. So what about Golden and Rahul? Rahul, आपने कॉपी में लिखा है? राहुल कुमार
Yes,
रवानी.
sir. Yes, sir.
तो तुम्हारा कोड मुझे एक बार शो करवा दो, क्या लिखा है कॉपी में?
ठीक.
Golden, what about you?
सर बना लिया मगर रन नहीं हो रहा है सर. रन नहीं हो रहा है सर.
रन नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, तो तुमने क्या लैपटॉप पे लिखा है? तो मैं तुम्हारा कोड चेक कर लूंगा एक बार, ठीक है ना? राहुल, तुम अपना वाला दिखा दो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तेरा नंबर इकोनॉमिक. ओके, राहुल, ये सेकेंड वाला लाइन पे इफ नम इक्वल टू 0, तो तुमने प्रिंट पे नम इज नेगेटिव नंबर क्यों लिखा है?
Yes, sir. वो मिस्टेक हो गया, 0 होगा वहाँ.
तो 0 होगा.
जी सर.
हाँ, तो वो वाला करेक्शन कर लो, ठीक है ना? ओके,
ठीक.
ओके, यू कैन स्टॉप योर शेयर. ओके, गोल्डन, तुम्हारा.
हेलो.
हाँ गोल्डन, तुम अपना शेयर स्क्रीन करके दिखा दो मुझे एक बार.
एक सेकंड सर. सर कैमरा बैक नहीं हो रहा है.
कैमरा पर देखो, बैक ऑप्शन कुछ आएगा वहां पे.
सर फोटो लेके भेज सकते हैं सर.
ओके, तुम्हारा कुछ इश्यू है तो तुम अपना प्रोग्राम का फोटो ले लेना, ठीक है ना? मुझे कोड बाद में शेयर करो कि क्या एरर है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? कोई इशू नहीं है वहाँ पे. ओके, चलो, मैंने
ठीक
सबका
है.
कोड देख लिया है.
ठीक है
तो
सर.
ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन द थिंग्स करेक्टली. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि कुछ लोग इंट यूज किए हैं, कुछ लोग फ्लोट यूज किए हैं, मैंने देखा है. जस्ट लाइक आई थिंक शिखा या सुचित्रा, इन दोनों में से किसी ने इंट यूज किया है. तो इंट यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग पे, यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो अगर मोर प्रिसाइसली हम लोग काम करेंगे, अगर एक यूजर से वैल्यू ले रहे हैं तो यूजर कुछ भी वैल्यू रैंडम पे डाल सकते हैं. तो इट इज बेटर टू टेक द वैल्यू एज अ फ्लोट नंबर, ठीक है ना? तो अगर इंटीजर वैल्यू कुछ रियल टाइम वैल्यू भी डालेगा तो वो भी रन कर जाएगा. अगर कोई डेसिमल पॉइंट वैल्यू देगा तो वो भी रन कर जाएगा. So talking from a real-time point view, from a user, so value can be either a decimal value or it can be non-decimal value. So it will be better if we consider a decimal value, so we can use a float value. So that will be more precise. Okay, so no issue. All of you have done the things correctly, and it is particularly fine. Okay, so moving to our next program for today's class, that is, we have to check, write a Python program. The problem statement is write a Python program to check if the number is odd or even. If the number is odd or even. So here our second problem is that write a Python program to check if the input number is odd or even. If the input number is odd or even. Okay, so again the thing is, what will be the logic? We need to find out, we need to take a value or input from the user, and we need to check that whether that particular thing is odd or even. With whether the thing is odd or even. So we need to check this particular thing. So what will be the value, or what will be the value calculation for odd and even? If the value is odd or even, so if the value that the user have inputted, if it is divided by 2 and gives the remainder of 0, if it is divided by 2 and gives the remainder as a result of 0, then it will be a even number. And if there is some remainder of 1, then it will be a odd number. So we need to do a modulus division, or using some modulus operator, we need to calculate, or we need to find that whether there is a remainder of 0 and 1. If the remainder is 0, then it will be an even number. If the remainder is 1, then it will be an odd number. So this will be the logic. This will be the basic logic. So now you people have to do, you people write the code, and you people show me the output and the thing again. So again, the thing that write the code in your copy and in your laptop, desktop, whatever the thing, and then show me the output. Okay. Okay. I am doing one thing, that it will be going to disconnect at any time. So I am just reconnecting the link again. You people also reconnect the link, and then we will continue our discussion. Okay. So I am just ending the session here, and again reconnecting the link. You people just join the link again. Okay. So then the session will continue. It will not disrupt it in the middle of the discussion. So just rejoin the link again.